Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to cancel Fubo TV free trial. Now, first thing you should do is to simply go to Fubo TV website on your browser. Then once you open it, you should go here on the top right corner and click on sign in. Then once you click on sign in, you will find on the top right corner one of these icons. As you can see, you should click on your profile icon, and after that you will find here this option, my account. Click on it. Then once you click on it, it will jump you directly to this page. You should now choose subscription and billing. After you choose it, you will find the cancel subscription button here on the top right corner or down below in the bottom. Simply click on any one of them, then you will have to select cancel my trial, and after that click on yes end trial. After that it will show you a confirmation page like this one right here, and after that an email will be sent to you confirming that you have cancelled your subscription. And if you want to make sure that your subscription has been cancelled, you can simply call the customer support team on 844-551-1005. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.